Alright guys, I just wanted to jump on here to show you all this 5.0 Mustang and show you all what it drives like with the 10-speed automatic transmission. Just go over a quick walk around. I'm pretty sure maybe all of you watched my last review. Dual pipes on both sides and blacked out badges. But that's pretty much it with this car, man. Gloss black grille. But we're gonna hop in. We're gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna fire it up and we're just gonna turn on the car and start driving, guys. I'm gonna just give you all my personal opinion. It's very nice. Brake pedal and the start stop button is down there for those of you that don't know. But as far as that, guys, we're gonna also let me buckle up and we're gonna pop it into, what should I pop it in? Normal mode will be the best probably right now, but I'm just gonna pop it into Sport Plus for all of you fast lane guys. I'm fast lane too. So right now I got it in the Sport Plus. I got traction off. The shifts are very tough. It shifts pretty quickly. Let me tell you that from the jump. I'm gonna get to the street real quick. Right now I'm still in the parking lot, but once I get to the street and hop on the interstate, I'm gonna give you all my real opinion about this car. Wow, those shifts are tough. Those shifts are real tough. Wow, man, and those downshifts are tough too. And what can you say? It isn't Sport Plus. I have a slow person in front of me right now, ruining my videos. But you all got my opinion for the street, really. I just did a little pull. This guy right here is ruining my video. I'm gonna click on the camera whenever this guy right here moves out my way. But I'll catch you all when I'm on the interstate or when I'm getting on the interstate. All right, peace. I'll give you all a little pull right here. It's only in third gear, fifth gear. It skipped fourth, didn't it? I'm not sure. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all watching the speedometer, hopefully. My eyes gotta stay focused on the road. Oh, I actually gotta get gas. Man, it downshifts so aggressive. Then you get back on it. That 10-speed is a lot of fun. This 10-speed right here is a lot of fun. Man, I like how it upshifts so aggressively. I mean, downshifts so aggressively. Then you can get back on it. High RPMs. And it's so loud. And this is stock. This is stock, guys. Listen to that. Man, this thing is mean. Everyone's getting over for me. Man, oh man. This car is fun. It really is, guys. If you're thinking about getting one, go for it. All right, guys, I'm back in. We are hopping on the roundabout for the interstate right now. And what's funny, it just so happened to be a Mustang in front of me. That's real weird. But I want to give you all a little pull underneath this tunnel so you all can actually hear how it sounds. This guy right here is driving like a granddaddy in front of me. But here it goes, guys. Man. And what's funny is, I believe it was only 160 on the dash. But, not sure, man. This car is crazy. I'm on the interstate right now. We got it into Sport Plus. We have it in Sport Plus. My opinion on throttle response, I mean, it's in Sport Plus right now, and it's in high gear. So obviously the throttle response is going to be fast, but throttle response is pretty good. Now, when I actually get up on it, like foot to the floor, let's see how it actually feels. It takes a while to actually get up and going. Like, I expected it to be a lot sooner, throttle response wise, but hey, this car is fun. Don't get me wrong, this car is a lot of fun. If you're in the market to get one, or if you're a Mustang lover, go for it. This car is very fun. This one right here that I'm actually driving is very eye-catching with the color. But I'm pretty sure that's gonna wrap up this review, guys. Right now I'm driving into Sport Plus. I'll try and get you all a track mode driving edition, or whatever you want to call it. But right now it's just wet outside, traction control is on, because we know how the Mustangs get. But as far as that, guys, please like this video, please subscribe down below, and I'll catch you all in the next one, man. You all have a good day. Peace.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. I just wanna win. LA BB, who we running with?